This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Carefully pull down the lower fascia panel on the passenger's side. Remove the 4 glove box lower screws. Open the glove box and remove the 3 upper screws. Carefully pull the glove box rearwards, disconnect the wiring plugs and remove. Disconnect the wiring plug from the heater flap motor. Working through the glove box aperture, unclip and remove the pollen filter cover. Withdraw the pollen filter from the housing, then wipe clean the area around the filter location. Fit the new filter to the housing in the same way as it was removed, making sure it is fitted in the correct position, with the arrows on the edge facing towards the inside of the vehicle. Refit the filter cover to the housing. Reconnect the heater flap motor wiring plug, then reconnect both wiring plugs, then maneuver the glove box back into place. Refit the upper and lower retaining screws and tighten them securely. Refit the lower fascia panel.